Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Chavi Hirkawat from Mamsi. And आप लोगों को लगता होगा कि कॉलेज में it's just your classes और after the classes you're all free. नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. This session will clear all your misconceptions. I will take you through my routine. So, if you're interested, watch till the end. My class has just ended and मेरा अभी 1 घंटे का ब्रेक लिया था. So the class ended at about 4:40 and right now it is about 5:20. So I had quite a long break. मुझे भूख लगी थी. I had some fruits. थोड़ा बहुत घर में इधर टहल ली थी. And now I'm back to my room and I have to start studying. One thing which I always ensure कि मैं after my lunch that is about 12:30 or 1 मैं इतना heavy snacks नहीं करती क्योंकि as a person you just need 2 meals a day plus मेरी practices रहती हैं योगिक practices so anyways इतनी भूख नहीं लगती है and in between your lunch and your dinner if you feel hungry I always keep my snacks restricted to fruits क्योंकि हैवी खा लिया तो मेरी आगे की पढ़ाई नहीं होगी एंड आई विल बी डोजिंग मुझे नींद आ रही होगी एंड ऐसा काफ़ी बार होता है जब भी मैंने बीच में फॉर एग्जांपल पिज्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर दिया या बर्गर या कुछ भी हैवी स्नैक ऐसा ऑर्डर किया आई विल बी स्लीपिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 hour. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम ऑलवेज फॉलोइंग अ योगिक डाइट नहीं बट येस once in a week I do order stuff, I do have junk food but mostly it's always restricted to fruits that is just to make it raw and then I'll just directly have my dinner. So here I am back on my study table and जैसा मैंने आपको अपने previous videos में बताया था अभी मेरी सर्जरी क्लासेस चल रही है पोस्टिंग में. So this is Bailey and Love, हमारी सर्जरी की टेक्स्ट बुक. So I'll be reading that for now. Let's see. I have my notes ready with me by my side, my highlighter, pens, sticky notes, everything ready. So I'll be reading that. It's about 6:15 and I'm bored of studying. So I think I'll go have an evening walk. मैं आई हूँ अपने घर के पीछे हमारा एक थोड़ा सा ग्रीनरी वाला एरिया है वहाँ मैं इवनिंग वॉक के लिए आई हूँ. सो आप देख सकते हैं इट्स ऑल ग्रीन एवरीवेयर. काफ़ी रिफ्रेशिंग होता है साफ हवा होती है एंड यस अबव ऑल दिमाग खराब एंड नींद दोनों उड़ जाते हैं. सो आई होप कुछ तो रिफ्रेशमेंट हमेशा रहता ही है क्योंकि ऑल टाइम हम छोटे फॉन्ट वाली बुक्स को नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं. आई साइट मेरी काफ़ी वीक है, ड्राई आई हो जाती है. सो इट काइंड ऑफ रियली हेल्प्स मी सो दैट मेरा माइंड काफ़ी अच्छे से रिफ़्रेश हो जाता है. See, it's all beautiful here. I don't know if you can hear the birds who are chirping, crickets की आवाज़. Oh my God, that's so lovely. पीछे नीम का पेड़ है, आम का पेड़ है. सारी केरियाँ तो नहीं लगी अब, सब टूट चुके हैं. But yeah, it was a nice walk and I'm almost home. So yeah, I'm almost at home now, about to enter my home. Yeah, I'm at home and about to go to my room. Please don't mind my shabby room. Back at my study table at around 6:10 and I'm back by 6:20 in 10 minutes. So now I can tell you my technique मैं किस तरह पढ़ती हूँ. It's called Pomeroy technique. You would have heard of it. Mainly it's like जैसा हमारे में कोचिंग में बताते हैं, the same thing I follow is you study for 50 minutes 50 and you take a break of 10 minutes. So इस तरह से intermittent focus and break helps to maintain the intensity with which you work. The same thing I do, it really helps me a lot. So continuing with the same technique, 50 minutes of work and 10 minutes of break. It's about my dinner time. I mostly have my dinner early on, at about 7:30 or so, because it's like mostly I sleep at around 12 or 1, and it's better if you keep a gap of 3 to 4 hours minimum between your last meal and the time you're about to sleep, so that you don't go to sleep with a full stomach. You're always empty stomach conditions when you sleep. इसके फायदे काफ़ी होते हैं. I have experienced it myself. The reason is because when you wake up, if you're full stomach by the time you sleep, काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी. when you wake up early morning, उठा नहीं जाएगा, काफ़ी लेजीनेस रहती है. But when I go to sleep empty stomach, the quality of sleep is too great. The amount of sleep I have, the duration has drastically reduced. Also, the way I wake up, the intensity with which I wake up is too much. So I'll go have my dinner and meet you after that. So it took me about 1 hour to have my dinner, and right now it's about 8:30. And again, थोड़ा बहुत मोबाइल पे टाइम पास करूँगी and then I'll be back to studies. So it's about 1:30 right now and I'm about to sleep. बात ये होती है कि there are ways to sleep well. In a student's life, sleep काफ़ी मैटर करती है कि आप किस तरह सो रहे हैं and the way you are waking up. Not just in student's life but even as a human. So I leave too much emphasis कि मैं किस तरह सोने जा रही हूँ. Just right now, as you saw, I can share you a few tips how I go off to sleep. Since it's the routine, I can share that as well with you. The point is, when you're about to sleep, if you light up a lamp in your room, bow down to it, and then you go off to sleep, the quality of sleep will be too great. You can try it and experiment it with yourself. It's not that I have come up with something like this. No, it was my guru Sadhguru's one of the videos in which he was sharing, and I did try it with myself and have experienced the same. So do tell me in the comment section if this thing also worked out for you. But yes, I must say, in a student's life, the quality of sleep is very important. And I'll be waking up at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's almost about 4 hours of sleep on an average I get. And it's not that I'm very sleepy throughout the day, but it's almost ki I'm very much energetic, full of energy, lively throughout the day with even 4 hours of sleep. It's not that I'm depriving myself of sleep. ना मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि you curb your sleep time to 4 hours. No, there are many factors which assist me in this. For example, my daily sadhana routine helps me. I will share if possible कि मेरी morning routine क्या रहता है and what are yogic practices I've been up to. But yes, right now it's for sleep. I can share that. One yes thing is you can light up a lamp and it almost keeps burning throughout the night. If not throughout the night, at least for a few hours of the night. Another thing is I always by the time I am going off to sleep, there's another practice like if you there's another practice like you chant a mantra or something like that and then go off to sleep with it. The point is with the transition from your wakefulness to sleepiness, that point to bring that point into your awareness. So I won't be going into the philosophical aspect. I'm not Sadhguru or any person who is enlightened. It's just that I'm sharing what has worked out for me and I'm sharing with you all, expecting it will work out for you as well. So it's like I mostly chant Brahmanand Swarupa. I'm not saying कि आप भी वो chant करो. I'm not promoting anything. I'm just saying कि I just keep chanting and doze off with that chant itself. And third thing what I do is the way like I keep my head not in the north direction because in the northern hemisphere the head should not be in the northern direction. It's not very illogical stuff. The logic is very very clear. You can check out one of his videos is on that. I have experienced it. So, and the fourth thing that I do is small practice like just about 5 minutes before I doze off to sleep. This is you burn off, you just close your eyes, sit and you burn off everything whatever you consider as myself, your relationships, your relation with your family, your friends, everything, the thing which you identify yourself with, like I'm studying to become a doctor, a student, मेरे पास ये चीज़ें पेंडिंग पड़ी है, मुझे ये पढ़ना है, वो पढ़ना है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा blah blah blah. You just close your eyes and burn off everything. कि नहीं, this is my relations me? No, this is not me. I won't go into that aspect, definitely not. So these are the sequence in which I do light up a lamp, that 5 minutes of sadhana. Next is the chant, and then I'm off to sleep. So I'll be waking up tomorrow and I will have to again start off with my classes from 8. So bye. Hope you would have liked this video. Do give a thumbs up if you have liked this video. Also do subscribe to our channel Rankers Avenue. I'm too sleepy. Bye.